Hi there, Dr. Ian Channel here. Today we're breaking down a simple science-backed plan to ease GERD using the right foods and over-the-counter meds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat, what meds to take, and how to combine them for maximum relief.
Stick around, you won't want to miss this.
Take Sarah, for example. She's 35, and for years she dealt with constant nighttime heartburn. She tried cutting out coffee and spicy foods, but nothing worked until she made a simple switch, adding alkaline foods and the right OTC meds. In just 2 weeks, her symptoms dropped by 70%.
So, how did she do it? Let's break it down step by step.
Chapter 1. Morning routine, start strong.
Mornings set the tone for your digestive system, and a few small changes can make a huge difference.
First up, diaphragmatic breathing. Just 5 minutes 3 times per day can reduce stress and abdominal pressure, which are two big GERD triggers.
Next, let's talk about OTC medications.
Frequent acid reflux? Start with Pepcid Complete 1 tablet or Nexium 20 milligrams.
But don't use these for more than 2 weeks without consulting a doctor.
For extra protection, alginates like Gaviscon 10 to 20 milliliters after breakfast, 3 times per day, and before bed.
Before eating, 1 cup of ginger tea plus 20 drops of iberogast for better digestion and reducing acidity of stomach.
Now let's fuel your body with a GERD-friendly breakfast.
Here's a banana oatmeal smoothie recipe. 1 ripe banana, half a cup of cooked oatmeal soaked overnight for better digestion, 1 cup almond milk or oat milk, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, half a teaspoon honey, optional, and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, which is anti-inflammatory.
Blend it up until smooth and creamy. This smoothie soothes your stomach, prevents acid flare-ups, and keeps you full for hours.
Chapter 2. Midday, keep digestion on track.
By lunchtime, your stomach is working hard, so let's keep things light and reflux-friendly.
Before eating, start with 1 cup of ginger tea and add 20 drops of iberogast for better digestion and reducing acidity of stomach.
After lunch, take 10 to 20 milliliters of Gaviscon to create a protective barrier against acid.
Here's a GERD-friendly lunch idea, a grilled chicken salad.
You'll need 1 grilled chicken breast, skinless and boneless, 2 cups of mixed leafy greens like spinach, kale, and romaine, half a cucumber sliced, 1 small avocado diced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for the dressing, half a teaspoon of grated ginger for an anti-inflammatory boost, and 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds for healthy fats and crunch.
Mix everything together and drizzle with the olive oil ginger dressing. This meal is light, alkaline, and packed with digestion-friendly ingredients.
Chapter 3. Evening, the most crucial time.
Nighttime reflux can be the worst, but a few simple changes can help prevent it.
Before dinner, have 1 cup of ginger tea and add 20 drops of iberogast to calm your stomach.
For a GERD-friendly dinner, try baked salmon and steamed broccoli.
You'll need 1 salmon fillet, preferably wild-caught, 1 cup of steamed broccoli, half a cup of quinoa cooked with bone broth for extra nutrients, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano.
Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 1. Place the salmon on a baking sheet. 2. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, turmeric, and oregano. 3. And bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. 4. Serve with steamed broccoli and quinoa for a digestion-friendly dinner.
After dinner, take 10 to 20 milliliters of Gaviscon to prevent reflux.
Before bed, take a final dose of Gaviscon for overnight protection. Bonus tip. Studies suggest that melatonin, 3 milligrams before bed, can help regulate digestion and reduce nighttime reflux by strengthening the LES and reducing acid secretion.
Chapter 4. Why this works so. Why does this plan work so well? Here's the science.
1. Alkaline foods like bananas, melons, and greens neutralize stomach acid.
2. Lean proteins help prevent the lower esophageal sphincter from weakening.
3. Hydration from cucumbers and melons keeps your stomach lining moist and less prone to irritation.
4. The combination of over-the-counter medications and natural aids.
A powerful combo of Gaviscon, Pepcid Complete, or Nexium and herbal remedies such as Iberogast and ginger tea provides well-rounded relief. Chapter 5. Final thoughts. Now you have a step-by-step GERD relief plan that's simple, effective, and backed by science. Try it out for just 2 weeks and see the difference for yourself.
If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and drop a comment. What's been your biggest GERD struggle? I'd love to hear from you.
See you in the next video!